We are MPA, Motorcar Parts of America, a global manufacturer of light and heavy-duty rotating electric, brake parts, wheel hubs and bearings, turbochargers, and electrical component testing, with a strong portfolio of brands, all powered by MPA. Our customers choose MPA for many reasons: quality, durability, availability, just to name a few. They also appreciate our reliability and dependability. Their expectations are what drives us. Our customers know the part will be reliable every time. They also know it's backed by our willingness to stand behind our products with outstanding customer service. The PartSmart Technical Resource Library, how-to videos, and webinars that help educate and inform. They rely on us for the parts, support, and training they need when they need it. In addition, MPA is known by its OE, OES, and aftermarket customers for its street-smart knowledge and commitment to outstanding merchandising support. We go beyond traditional customer service by offering a true product management and advanced category management support program. Our level of market intelligence and strategic insights gives our partners the tools to increase sales, streamline inventory, and increase profitability. We're in business to help our partners succeed. At MPA, our philosophy is EPIC: excellence, productivity and passion, innovation and integrity, community, quality. Our team is excellent. Our products are excellent. Our service is excellent. This means the customers get excellence when they use a product powered by MPA. Our productivity enables us to offer high-quality products. That, coupled with our passion to be the best, is what makes MPA a leader in aftermarket parts manufacturing. Our passion to be excellent is why we operate with integrity and constantly strive to innovate. It allows us to offer our customers the best in product, service, and support. Our people are the backbone of our success. We are one community that walks together. We believe in supporting and empowering the people behind the product. Our quality is paramount and is evident in our products, our people, and each of our facilities. We stand for quality. Motorcar Parts and Accessories was founded in 1968 as a full-line European and Japanese replacement parts importer. By the mid-'80s, MPA set its sight on becoming the North American industry leader in remanufactured alternators and starters. Through strategic planning, excellent customer service, and savvy leadership, MPA was able to triple its domestic production space, and in 1994 became a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ index. In 2003, Motorcar Parts and Accessories changed its name to Motorcar Parts of America, a name that better reflected its role as one of the leading North American providers of aftermarket automotive components. Today, MPA operates facilities in the United States, Canada, Mexico, China, Malaysia, India, and Singapore. This global reach allows MPA to service its supply chain efficiently and effectively, offering high rates of product availability and unmatched quality. As the future of automotive manufacturing continues to expand in electrification, MPA, through the global D&V Electronics brand, is at the forefront of developing and manufacturing diagnostics and testing equipment for EV motors, e-axles, inverters, and DC components. Our future is driven by technology and innovation. We are MPA, the global leader for parts and solutions that move our world today and tomorrow.